Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope that everyone is doing good. And today's video is very special, not because of the graphic eyeliner that I'm wearing. By the way, I have worn it for the very first time in my life, and you can let me know in the comment section below that how do you find it and if you want to learn this tutorial. But this video is very special because I will introduce you to a hidden gem from the treasure trove of natural beauty known as Husne Yusuf. And if you are wondering what it is, then stay with me till the end of the video because I will take you through its history and the benefits of this age-old beauty treasure. But like always, before we start, kindly hit the like and subscribe button to my channel if you haven't already to support me. And without further ado, let's get started. If you are still wondering what the heck is Husne Yusuf, then don't worry because I am here to spill the beans. It is basically Indian madder seed powder or Indian madder powder, and its scientific name is Rubia cordifolia. In India, it also goes by the name of Kirmali, but I'll stick to Husne Yusuf because it has a pretty interesting story behind it. So in Urdu, Husn means beauty, and Yusuf is a reference to the Prophet Joseph, renowned for his good looks. So legend has it that he was so beautiful, his beauty was so captivating that people couldn't help but be entranced. So when Potiphar's wife or Zulekha told some women about him, they were like, okay, well, we'll believe it when we'll see him. So Zulekha, using a clever trick, invited those women to her party and gave them some fruits to peel. She then brought Joseph into a room where the women could finally see him, and his beauty was so mesmerizing that women who were peeling fruits were awestruck and accidentally cut their thumbs. And this ancient tale adds a mystical charm to Husne Yusuf. But apart from that, Husne Yusuf or madder root has a rich history from dyeing to skin care. So let's find out. Belonging to the genus Rubia, madder is a perennial plant and is recognized by its lance-shaped leaves and cluster of yellowish flowers. There are many varieties of madder available, including the common Rubia, that's Rubia tinctorum, Indian madder, that's the Rubia cordifolia, and wild madder, that's the Rubia peregrina. So Rubia tinctorium is most famous type of madder in Turkey, Iran, Azerbaijan, while Rubia cordifolia is renowned in India. Rubia has a rich history dating back to ancient civilizations where it was cultivated specifically for the red dye obtained from the roots of madder plant known as alizarin, and that explains why the name is Rubia because in Italian Rubia means red and in Latin rubo means red. However, interestingly, early evidence of dyeing can be traced back to India in 3rd millennium BCE at the archaeological site of Mohenjo-daro, which is now in Pakistan, and where a piece of cloth dyed with madder was discovered. In Hindi, madder is also known by the name of Manjhistha, and it's used by hermits to dye their cloth saffron. In ancient times, this dye was widely used in dyeing fabrics, red, pink, and purple, depending on the methods of application and preparation. Interestingly, madder is a natural source of different colors, including red, pink, orange, brown, and black as well for inks, dyes, and paints. One of the most famous uses of Rubia tinctorium is in the creation of Turkish Red or Edirne Red. Edirne is a city in Turkey and was once the capital of Ottoman Empire. And if you think that it was developed in Edirne Red, then surprise, surprise, and no. Because some historians believe that it was actually developed in India, yes, and then it spread to Turkey because at that time the process of making dye was shrouded in mysteries and secrecy. That's why it got stuck to its name, Edirne Red. And because Edirne Red was a strong permanent dye, that's why it was used to dye Turkish soldiers uniforms. At the time it was red, and Turkish fezzes, the cap, And because the process involving that red dye was very laborsome, it involved pretty disgusting stuff in it, which includes calf blood, oh, sheep's dung. But thank God, in 1868, synthetic alizarin was developed, and the use of madder as a dye declined. While madder's primary use was in dyeing textile, its transformation into Husne Yusuf or Kirmali unlocked a world of skincare benefits. Indian madder gained recognition in Ayurvedic medicine for its therapeutic properties, and its roots, Manjhistha, were valued for their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and detoxifying effects in traditional Ayurvedic formulation. On the other hand, the Maraseed powder or Husne Yusuf was used for skin disorders and to enhance beauty. So let's find out what are the benefits of Husne Yusuf. So number one, Husne Yusuf is a natural skin brightener and whitener and help reduce uneven skin tone, dark spots. And if you want to whiten skin, you can use it because it is an organic agent. Instead of using harsh chemicals and skin bleaching, which I totally hate, you can resort to Husne Yusuf. Number two, it has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it is great for people who have acne prone skin like me, because it soothes acne and fights with skin irritants, and also helps in getting calm and clear complexion. Third, it is an antioxidant, which means it fights free radicals on your skin, and anything that fights free radicals means that it promotes youthful skin. And it's great for people who have mature skin, and it's a great anti-aging agent. So all these three properties make it a great skincare ingredient. Now, how to apply Husni Yusuf powder for glowing skin? So it's essential to perform a patch test like other products using Husni Yusuf, but especially for Husni Yusuf because it's a seed powder, especially if you have acne prone or sensitive skin, because you can get allergies if you don't do a patch test. And you can mix it with water, rose water, milk, depending on your skin type. Of course, skip the milk if you have acne. Form a smooth paste and apply it evenly on your face. And because it has some grains in it, you can see over here, so you should gently massage it on your face and it will work as an exfoliator. Then allow it to dry for 15-20 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water. And one pro tip from me, because it's a very drying material, so use any moisturizer of your choice and hydrate your skin. And that's how you use the Husne Yusuf or Indian Madder powder. This brings us to the end of our video, and I hope that you've enjoyed it. And if you want to know more, you can go to my website arshiblogs.com. And until we meet again, take care of yourself. Love you guys and ciao.